Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Brawl Stars test server. The test server, also known as the development build, is where all the exciting new content is trialed before its public release. It lets you explore new brawlers, balance changes, and game mechanics ahead of time. Finding the correct, safe download link is the first crucial step. Always check official developer sources or reputable content creators for verification. Once you have the official link, the download process is straightforward. For Android devices, you will usually download an APK file, which you can then install directly. iOS users will likely be directed through Apple's Test Flight program to access the beta. Always allow installations from unknown sources in your device settings if prompted, and ensure you have sufficient storage, ideally at least 2 GB, before beginning the download. Upon first launching the test server, you will typically be prompted to log in or create a new test account. This is separate from your main game account, so your progress here will not affect your live game. Developers often provide new accounts with a generous starting balance, sometimes hundreds of thousands of gems and coins. This allows you to immediately unlock new brawlers, skins, and upgrades, letting you focus entirely on evaluating the new features. Your role on the test server is crucial for game improvement. Play extensively with the new brawlers and maps, trying out various strategies and observing any unusual behaviors or glitches. If you encounter any bugs, balance problems, or have suggestions, it is vital to report them. Look for the in-game feedback button or visit the official developer forums. Your detailed input helps the Supercell team refine the content before it reaches millions of players worldwide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.